Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 GMC Acadia. Stock number is 18C414A. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Goodyear Forterra tires. Inside, cloth interior. Second row bucket and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear back up sensors and a camera. And this Acadia is all-wheel drive, so you won't be sliding all over the road on those wintry Wisconsin days. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. And you have a power assist lift gate, so with the press of a button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control, and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you come from near or far, you can see this Acadia on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.